Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing loadout and zone choices. Equip bleed resist and a ranged option so you can safely engage carriers. Move to Liurnia or Ainsel River because enemy types their drop pest threads more frequently. You're prioritizing efficiency. Once positioned, switch to a stealth or bait tactic, thinning groups one by one. This raises drop consistency. Make sure to save at a site of grace before risky pulls so you can retry without losing progress. Now you execute the farming loop. Use ranged hits or a phantom to pull one pest-bearing enemy away from packs, then finish it quickly to maximize drop odds. Once done, loot and reset by teleporting to a nearby site of grace to respawn enemies. Make sure to vary routes slightly. Different spawn points can change drop tables. Repeat this focus cycle, alternating enemy types if you need a different pest thread variant, and track how often drops occur so you can adjust strategy. To finish, consolidate your pest threads by visiting vendors or quest NPCs who accept or transform them. This frees inventory and completes any related objectives. If you're not getting drops, change regions or rest at a site of grace to reset spawn tables and try again. Sometimes the game cycles which enemies drop what. One troubleshooting tip. If drops stop entirely, advance or reset nearby NPC questlines, because some pest thread sources only appear after specific story triggers are completed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.